Now we are gonna move on to looking at paragraph tags. We have already looked at headers and you have seen that the H7 header that we talked about is not a valid header tag. So what if we just want to add some normal text? Before we do, so let's just have a look at what happens when we put just some plain text in our page. Like, hey, I'm without any tag. Save it and launch it in Chrome. There it is. It's fine, not a problem. Now, strange thing happens with HTML when you try to do something on two lines. Like this is just a second line. Save it and refresh. HTML actually ignores the line break. It also ignores more than one space. So if you put in a lot of space after this second line and write anything like extra text, and now if you refresh it, see, only a single space. So HTML ignores line breaks and more than one space at a time. So what if we want to put a line break? Well, strictly speaking, we should put every bit of a text we have inside a p tag, because that tells the browser that it's a paragraph and it will be nicely formatted. So I'm just a first line of paragraph. Let's see. Let's see. It's fine. Now if we want to put a second line in it, one way to do it is to put it in another paragraph. I am the second line of paragraph. Let's see it in browser, and fine. So that's two different paragraphs. One is this and the second one is this. But if you notice, there's a quite bit of gap between these two lines, because by default a paragraph has a fair bit of padding on the top and bottom of it, so that it looks a bit nice and spread out. So what if we want the text to go directly below the first line here? What you will do is just put a line break tag. Now something strange happened here. I've put in br and then a slash. Now this is called a self-closing tag. So for the line break tag, there is no open and close. It's just a single tag. It's perfectly valid to use only br, but to make it valid for older version of HTML like XHTML, we have to put a slash. And also it looks nicer this way. Generally, it's a good idea to put a slash in the tags like this. We'll see other tags on our way. So now let's just put some text after the line break. I'm just at text after the line break. We'll save that and refresh it in the browser. Okay, we have got a line break after the first line, and then sorry, we got a line break after the first line of the paragraph and then our second line. Both lines in single paragraph but having a line break. I have introduced two tags here, paragraph and line break. Now I want to introduce another tag which is called a horizontal row tag, and for HTML we can just write HR, but I'm gonna put an slash in it to make it a self-closing tag. What it does is gives us a nice horizontal line. So now we have got first line of the paragraph, a line break, then the second line of the paragraph, then a horizontal line, and then our second paragraph. Now you have got three new tags: paragraph, line break, and horizontal row. See you in the next video.